Welcome to the tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through how to set up and automate workflows using Relay app. If you're looking to create powerful AI agents that help streamline your business processes, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into Relay app, show you how it works and how you can set up a workflow from scratch. When you first log into Relay app, you will land on the dashboard. Here's what you can expect: playbooks, inbox, guides, and integrations. Creating a playbook is super simple. Just click on the new playbook button at the top of your screen. Start by setting a trigger. This is the event that kicks off your workflow. You can choose from a variety of triggers like manual starts, scheduled runs, or webhooks from other tools. Once you've set up your trigger, it's time to add actions. Actions are the steps Relay takes once the workflow is triggered. For example, you can create records in your CRM like Airtable, send emails or messages, and approve or reject requests. Relay makes it easy to test every step of your automation. After setting up your workflow, select a test record, run the playbook and see the automation in action, and review if the correct actions are triggered, like creating a record or sending an email. Relay allows you to use AI to automate repetitive tasks. For instance, you can set up AI-powered summaries for your email templates based on input you give. Use AI to summarize long inputs into short actionable descriptions, and pull in variables from your workflow into emails or messages for personalization. Once everything is set, you can manage the workflow by monitoring active runs and their status, viewing granular activity logs for each step, and approving actions or adjusting processes as needed. With Relay, you can create conditional paths based on specific scenarios. For example, if a contact already exists in your database, the workflow can skip certain steps. If it doesn't exist, Relay will create the contact and proceed. Use conditions to add different pathways, ensuring flexibility. Relay's user-friendly interface allows you to drag and drop to select the conditions. Once you're satisfied with your playbook, it's time to launch. Relay allows you to automate without worrying about errors. Do a final test before going live. And with a click, your workflow is up and running. And that's how you create and automate workflows with Relay app. With its intuitive interface, powerful AI features, and easy setup, Relay is a game changer for your automation needs. If you're ready to try Relay for your business, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment below with your questions or what you'd like to see next. Happy automating!